Hey there, amazing teachers! Building a classroom library tailored for comprehension-based learning can truly transform your students' language journey. One of the first steps is to choose materials that cater to different language levels. Start with picture books for beginners. They offer visual context that aids comprehension. For example, books like The Very Hungry Caterpillar can help students connect words with images, making the learning process intuitive and enjoyable. For intermediate students, consider incorporating short stories and graded readers. These books are specifically designed to match varying proficiency levels and gradually increase in complexity. A great strategy is to label your books according to the levels. For example, beginner, intermediate, advanced, and provide a mix of fiction and nonfiction to cater to different interests. For instance, a biography of a famous person written in simple language can be both engaging and educational for an intermediate learner. Advanced learners benefit from more complex texts that challenge their comprehension and critical thinking skills. Include novels, newspapers, and articles on diverse topics. To make the selection process easier, involve your students by asking for their input on what subjects interest them. This not only makes them more invested in their reading, but also ensures the materials are engaging. And if you're looking for more strategies to enhance your classroom, join our back-to-school bootcamp at mm.us/bootcamp. It's packed with resources to help you create a dynamic and effective learning environment. Happy comprehensible input!